Hello friends, welcome to Law Students Corner. This video is the continuation of CAT 2017 5-year LLB. Direction question number 76 to 79. Choose the word or set of words for each blank that best fits the meaning of the sentence as a whole. Question number 76. One of the most dash educators in Paris, Dr. Marco Finas, ignited a controversy in 2015 by calling the city public schools a rotten barrel in need of dash reforms. Option A, disputatious little. Option B, outspoken systematic. Option C, caustic partial. Option D, indifferent pretentious. Correct answer is option B. Question number 77. There are many number of theories to explain these events, and since even the experts disagree, it is dash the rest of us in our role as responsible scholars to dash dogmatic statements. Option A, paradoxical for, abstain from. Option B, arrogant of, compensate with. Option C, incumbent on, refrain from. Option D, opportune for, quarrel over. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 78. Because experience had convinced him that Preeta was both self-seeking and avaricious, Maran rejected the likelihood that her donation had been dash. Option A, redundant. Option B, frivolous. Option C, inexpensive. Option D, altruistic. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 79. The political and economic conditions in that country dash with the passage of time. Option A, has been changing. Option B, have been changing. Option C, had been changing. Option D, will have changed. Correct answer is option B. Direction. Question 80 to 83. 3 of the 4 words given below are spelt wrongly. Select the word that is spelt correctly. Question number 80. Negligence. The correct spelling is Negligence. Question number 81. Grievance. Correct spelling is Grievance. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 82. Hierarchical. The correct spelling is Hierarchical. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 83. Guarantor. Guarantor. Option D is the correct answer. Direction. Question number 84. Choose the word that is most nearly opposite in meaning to the word in capital letters. Magnify. Option A, forgive. Option B, extract. Option C, diminish. Option D, electrify. Correct answer is option C, diminish. Direction. Question number 85 to 89. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the keyword. Question number 85. Amenable. Option A, responsible. Option B, agreeable. Option C, bearable. Option D, cheerful. Correct answer is option A. Question number 86. Univocal. Option A, ambiguous. Option B, not equivalent. Option C, not ambiguous. Option D, unanimous. Correct answer is option C, not ambiguous. Question number 87. Categorical. Option A, unconditional. Option B, universal. Option C, unjustifiable. Option D, professional. Correct answer is option A, unconditional. Question number 88. Citation. Option A, critical comment. Option B, declaration. Option C, quotation. Option D, notification. Correct answer is option C. Question number 88. Inculpate. Option A. Indict. Option B. Incite. Option C. Induce. Option D. Indulge. Correct answer is option A. Direction. Question numbers 90 to 92. Some idioms given below are commonly used. Choose the correct meaning for each of the idioms. Question number 90. The manager's bark is worse than his bite. Option A. He shouts. Option B. He punishes. Option C. His action is worse than his speech. Option D. His speech is worse than action. Correct answer is option D. His speech is worse than action. Question number 91. It is bad to pass the buck on somebody. Option A. Infect. Option B. Inflict. Option C. Blame. Option D. Shift responsibility. Correct answer is option D. Shift responsibility. Question number 92. Political parties pay back in the same coin when attacked. Option A. Pay money to silence. Option B. Retaliate physically. Option C. Answer in the same manner. Option D. Reply differently. Correct answer is option C. Answer in the same manner. Direction. Question number 93 to 96. Choose the best antonym for the given word from the options listed below. Question number 93. Nullify. Option A. Impress. Option B. Affect. Option C. Seclude. Option D. Astound. Correct answer is option B. Question number 94. Judicious. Option A. Rash. Option B. Desirable. Option C. Painful. Option D. Rude. Correct answer is option A. Rash. Question number 95. Homogeneous. Option A. Tactful. Option B. Motley. Option C. Incisive. Option D. Demonstrative. Correct answer is option B. Question number 96. Abrogate. Option A. Enact. Option B. Entice. Option C. Disinfect. Option D. Tarnish. Correct answer is option A. Enact. Direction. Question numbers 97 to 101. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the given word. Question number 97. Fortify. Option A. Strengthen. Option B. Support. Option C. Undermine. Option D. Intensify. Correct answer is option C. Undermine. Question number 98. Misanthropist. Option A. Philanthropist. Option B. Zealot. Option C. Pragmatist. Option D. Pedant. Correct answer is option A. Question number 99. Unapproachable. Option A. Unclear. Option B. Accessible. Option C. Casual. Option D. Withdrawn. Correct answer is option B. Question number 100. Ostracize. Option A. Crucify. Option B. Discard. Option C. Patronize. Option D. Shun. Correct answer is option C. Question number 101. Abstain. Option A. Repel. Option B. Indulge. Option C. Disgrace. Option D. Dismiss. Correct answer is option B. Indulge. Direction. Question numbers 102 to 106. 4 words are given in each question, out of which only one word is correctly spelled. Find the correctly spelled word. Question number 102. Consignment. CONSIGNMENT. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 103. Surveillance. SURVEILLANCE. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 104. Audacious. AUDACIOUS. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 105. Dysfunction. DYSFUNCTION. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 106. Hygienic. HYGIENIC. Option B is the correct answer. Direction question numbers 107 to 109. A sentence or a part of a sentence is underlined. Below are given alternatives to the underlined part which may improve the sentence. Choose the correct alternative. In case no improvement is required, choose no improvement option. Question number 107. Try to lower the amount of fat in your diet. Option A, lose. Option B, no improvement. Option C, cut. Option D, reduce. Correct answer is option D, reduce. Question number 108. You should cut off on the amount of cigarettes you smoke. Option A, cut out. Option B, cut down. Option C, no improvement. Option D, cut up. Correct answer is option B, cut down. Question number 109. You must accustom yourself with new ideas. Option A, no improvement. Option B, accustom yourself with. Option C, get accustomed to. Option D, accustom yourself to. Correct answer is option D, accustom yourself to. Direction question number 110 and 111. Out of the four alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the given word. Question number 110. Synopsis. Option A, preview. Option B, discussion. Option C, summary. Option D, report. Correct answer is option C, summary. Question number 111. Contentious. Option A, extravagant. Option B, precious. Option C, benevolent. Option D, controversial. Correct answer is option D, controversial. Direction question number 112 to 116. Read the passage carefully and choose the best answer to each question out of the four alternatives given below. Pause the video and read the passage. Question number 112. How does the weapon of flattery work? Option A, a man does not like it. Option B, it conquers the man with a weak will. Option C, a man feels sad. Option D, it conquers a man with a strong will. Correct answer is option B, it conquers the man with a weak will. Question number 113. Thrives in the passage means option A, collects. Option B, provides. Option C, fills. Option D, prospers. Correct answer is option D, prospers. Question number 114. How does flattery deceive us? Option A, it gives us false ideas. Option B, it makes us feel indecent about ourselves. Option C, it makes us bankrupt. Option D, it makes us more corrupt. Correct answer is option A, it gives us false ideas. Question number 115. Flattery can stain the option A, human conscience. Option B, heart. Option C, mind. Option D, emotion. Correct answer is option A, human conscience. Question number 116. Flattery means option A, insincere praise in order to please. Option B, claiming what is not ours. Option C, being antisocial. Option D, being immoral. Correct answer is option A, insincere praise in order to please. Direction question number 117 to 121. Out of the four alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the idiom or phrase. 117. To roll out the red carpet. Option A, to give a warning signal. Option B, to give a grand welcome. Option C, to buy a gift. Option D, to decorate the room. Correct answer is option B, to give a grand welcome. Question number 118. To have an axe to grind. Option A, to have a selfish end to serve. Option B, to fail to arouse interest. Option C, to criticize someone. Option D, to work for both sides. Correct answer is option A, to have a selfish end to serve. Question number 119. To put his foot down. Option A, withdraw. Option B, concede. Option C, no to yield. Option D, resign. Correct answer is option A, withdraw. Question number 120. Have a foot in the grave. Option A. Be afraid to die. Option B. Be close to death. Option C. Have no interest in life. Option D. Have an incurable disease. Correct answer is option B. Be close to death. Question number 121. A hornet's nest. Option A. A dilemma. Option B. Among thorns. Option C. A comfortable position. Option D. An unpleasant situation. Correct answer is option D. An unpleasant situation. Direction. Question number 122 to 125. Out of the four alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given words or sentence. Question number 122. Scientific study of earthquakes. Option A. Geography. Option B. Seismology. Option C. Astrology. Option D. Anthropology. Correct answer is option B. Seismology. Question number 123. The study of growing garden plants. Option A. Nomenclature. Option B. Nursery. Option C. Orchid. Option D. Horticulture. Correct answer is option D. Horticulture. Question number 124. One who copies from other writers. Option A. Offender. Option B. Plagiarist. Option C. Contender. Option D. Antagonist. Correct answer is option B. Plagiarist. Question number 125. Gradually advanced. Option A. Evaded. Option B. Evaluated. Option C. Advantaged. Option D. Evolved. Correct answer is option D. Evolved. Question number 126. 2020 Olympic Games will be held at option A. Beijing. Option B. New York. Option C. Nairobi. Option D. Tokyo. Correct answer is option D. Tokyo. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the game is now rescheduled to 2021. Question number 127. Google's Alphabet website is option A. alphagoogle.com. Option B. googlealbert.com. Option C. abc.com. Option D. abc.xyz. Correct answer is option D. abc.xyz. Question number 128. Choose the correct answer. The painful Itai disease of Japan is caused by 1. Arsenic pollution. 2. Cyanide pollution. 3. Cadmium pollution. 4. Lead pollution. Option A. 1 and 2. Option B. 2 and 3. Option C. 3 only. Option D. 4 only. Correct answer is option C. 3 only due to cadmium pollution. Question number 129. Match the following. Sericulture, horticulture, aquaculture, apiculture. Correct answer is option A. Sericulture is rearing of silkworms. Horticulture is cultivation and maintaining gardens. Aquaculture is farming of aquatic organisms. Apiculture is culture of honeybees. Question number 130. A major diamond mining center in Belgium is in option A. Amsterdam. Option B. Aberdeen. Option C. Abendra. Option D. Antwerp. Correct answer is option D. Antwerp. Question number 131. World Car Free Day is observed on option A. September 12. Option B. September 22. Option C. October 19. Option D. October 22. Correct answer is option B. September 22. Question number 132. Which of the following is used to store large amounts of data? Option A. Primary memory. Option B. Auxiliary storage. Option C. Cache memory. Option D. Random access memory. Correct answer is option D. Random access memory. Question number 133. Agricultural unemployment may be classified into 1. Seasonal unemployment. 2. Disguised unemployment. 3. Chronic unemployment. Which is the correct answer? Option A. 1 and 2 only. Option B. 2 and 3 only. Option C. 1 and 3 only. Option D 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer is option D 1, 2 and 3. Question number 134. The list of coded instruction in computer is called option A program, option B algorithm, option C flowchart, option D application software. Correct answer is option A program. Question number 135. Which country withdrew from the International Criminal Court in November 2016 following criticism over its occupation of Crimea? Option A Russia, option B Ukraine, option C China, option D Uzbekistan. Correct answer is option A Russia. Question number 136. Who have been awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2016? 1. P.V. Sindhu, 2. Sakshi Malik, 3. Deepa Karmakar, 4. Jitu Rai. Option A 2 and 3, option B 1 and 2, option C 1, 3 and 4, option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. Correct answer is option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 137. Who is the author of the book An Era of Darkness, The British Empire in India? Option A Shashi Tharoor, option B Hamid Ansari, option C Twinkle Khanna, option D B.S. Naipaul. Correct answer is option A Shashi Tharoor. Question number 138. During the Indo-Pakistan War of 1965, the Prime Minister who coined the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Hail the Soldier, Hail the Farmer is option A Indira Gandhi, option B Gulzari Lal Nanda, option C Morarji Desai, option D Lal Bahadur Shastri. Correct answer is option D Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 139. Beswada Wilson, who won the 2016 Raman Magsaysay Award, is option A Carnatic musician spreading awareness on social issues, option B is a child right activist, option C is the convener of the National Safai Karmachari Andolan, option D is a RTI Act activist. Correct answer is option B is a child right activist. Question number 140. The 122nd Constitution Amendment Bill is associated with option A the Goods and Services Tax, option B Constitution of the National Judicial Appointments Commission, option C exchange of enclaves held in adverse possession with Bangladesh, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option A the Goods and Service Tax. Question number 141. Which day is observed as the International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilation? Option A February 6, option B February 9, option C February 12, option D February 19. Correct answer is option A February 6. Question number 142. The Chipko movement is associated with option A preventing the felling of trees, option B afforestation, option C transparency in public life, option D sustainable development. Correct answer is option B afforestation. Question number 143. Which of the following events is not matched correctly with the year of occurrence? Events. Option A Britain attacked Egypt over the Suez Canal issue. Year 1956. Option B Enunciation of Panchashil, the 5 principles of peaceful coexistence by the Indian Prime Minister Nehru and the Chinese Prime Minister Suez Enlai. Year 1954. Option C. The party split and the leaders of the latter faction formed Communist Party of India Marxist CPIM. Year 1965. Option D. The India-Pakistan Indus Waters Treaty was signed by Nehru and General Ayub Khan. Year 1967. Correct answer is option D. The India-Pakistan Indus Waters Treaty was signed by Nehru and General Ayub Khan in the year 1960. Question number 144. Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute is located at option A Goa, option B Kochi, option C Visakhapatnam, option D Puri. Correct answer is option B Kochi. Question number 145. The Coromandel Coast is located in the state of option A Kerala, option B Maharashtra, option C Tamil Nadu, option D Gujarat. Correct answer is option C Tamil Nadu. Question number 146. Panchayati Raj is a system of option A local government, option B local administration, option C local self-government, option D rural local self-government. Correct answer is option D rural local self-government. Question number 147. Change in the base sequence within the gene is called option A breeding, option B cloning, option C mutation, option D fusion. Correct answer is option C mutation. Question number 148. The main reason for the decrease in biodiversity is option A habitat pollution, option B introduction of exotic species, option C over exploitation, option D natural habitat destruction. Correct answer is option D natural habitat destruction. Question number 149. Which one of the following is an important source of vitamin E? Option A palm oil, option B coconut oil, option C wheat germ oil, option D mustard oil. Correct answer is option C wheat germ oil. Last question. Einstein was honored with Nobel Prize for option A photoelectric effect, option B theory of specific heats, option C special theory of relativity, option D Bose-Einstein statistics. Correct answer is option A photoelectric effect.